Bleep? Wait, Bloop, you're pretty quiet. Oh, let's send you over here. There you go. Bonk, do you have anything to say? Perfect. What was that, Bingus? Okay. Plunk? Okay. Yo, we gotta get... Let's get these homies out of a corner. Hey!
Who?
No, I don't want to hear from you, Bungus. Plunk? Plunk? Boink? Nice. One more time. This is beautiful.
Who?
Plunk, you're doing great. Bungus? Womp. No. I forgot about you.
Oh.